So, Mr. Speaker, we are proposing that Britain should resettle up to 20,000 Syrian refugees over the rest of this Parliament.
The UK's government's commitment of 20,000 refugees is just the tip of the iceberg, and hundreds and thousands of refugees remain without vital necessities. Through community groups, we have the chance of supporting refugee families that may otherwise never have the chance of being relocated. Alhamdulillah, through the dedication of committed members of our congregation, Green Lane Masjid is one of the first Muslim organizations to sponsor and accept a Syrian family. With the grace of Allah, the Home Office has accepted our application, and now your Green Lane Masjid family has just got bigger.